All right, this is NTI Day 19. This is a little bit different. This is kind of some new stuff. I think it's pretty simple. It asks at the top, it says, if an angle is given, name the arc it makes. If an arc is given, name its central angle. And there's Leighton in the background. It's okay. All right, back to this. Couple things. An arc is the thing around the outside. We kind of know what angles are on the inside, but an arc is how it goes on the outside. So if it gives us an angle, it wants us to name an arc. So it gave us this angle right here, BQD. BQD. Okay? So it wants to see what arc that it makes on the outside. So if that's the angle, this is the arc right there. So the answer is arc BD. By the way, these are all off your NTI, so this is going to be some problems off of your actual packet. This is 1, 2, and 5 off your actual packet, okay? All right. So, yeah, let's go do the next one. Actually, I did the wrong one. Let me find a different one. Let's do number 4. Let's skip this one. Sorry, I spent all that time doing that. So let's go ahead and do number 4 right now. Okay, let me draw it out. So on number 4, I just realized those two are the same. I don't want to do that. Okay, so on number 4, it asks for arc UV. Okay, and you have to name the central angle. So in this one, it's got 3 parts. Looks like this. This is Q. This is V. This is U, and this is T, okay? So it asks for arc UV. Arc UV is right here. So it wants to know what angle is made up of that one. Well, that one looks like it's going to be angle UQV, or VQU. It doesn't matter, you can do it either way, okay? So the answer for this one is going to be angle UQV. Okay? Hello, Leighton. She's going to help me. Or she's going to grab my coffee and spill it everywhere. Yeah. Yeah, you're okay. All right, and last one. Let's look at number 4, or I'm sorry, number 2. It says we're looking for major arc of the angle 3. Okay, so let's look at this one. This is a little bit different. So angle 3 is pretty easy to find. Angle 3 is going to be this angle right here. Okay? Now, it asks for the major arc. The major arc means it's not talking about the little part of it, it's talking about the big part of it. So it wants you to name not this, but everything that's not inside of that. Okay? So what's not inside of that looks like this. Since it's the major, it wants the big one, not the small one. Okay? So I can name that a couple different ways. I can name it arc, arc GHF. I can name it arc GDF, or I can name it arc GEF. All of those are the same because they're all just a point kind of in the middle. See, H, D, and E are all kind of points in the middle, but F and G have to be the two endpoints. Okay, so all those are possible answers here. So if it asks for a major arc, it wants the whole thing around the outside. Okay.